it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this clubbing makeup look that I wore for my birthday, and it's using the NYX glitter pigment, which I f***ing love. You guys, look at this glitter. It's holographic and I'm just f***ing living for this. It's so bomb. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. So I start with Urban Decay's Primer Potion so my shadow lasts all night long. And then I go ahead with Carly Bible's palette and I'm going to put a transition shade. Then after I go in with a darker plum shade just to deepen up my crease, and I also put it on my outer corner and I make sure to blend it really well. And using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to do my semi-cut crease. And if you are also a hooded eye honey and you're watching this, I have another tip about semi-cut creases. So I tried using a lip brush and I noticed that it makes the application way easier and it's more precise. Since it's so tiny, it helps with the smaller lids and the hooded eyelid basically. Then with NYX's glitter primer, I just put that on top of the semi-cut crease that I created with the concealer. Then using NYX's metallic glitter, and this is in the color Beauty Beam. You guys, this has me beaming all the way to outer space and I'm like so living for it. Then I just blend my outer corner shadow with the glitter, and I am going to do a winged liner because that's my fave. I just put some eyeliner on my waterline and just put on some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Then I just pop on my favorite lashes and I just add the darker plum shade to my bottom lid. I just throw on some blush. Then I grab the bad of champagne pop and just put it on my face so I could be seen millions of galaxies away. This is me pretending I forgot what's next, and then I'm like, oh yeah, my lips. For lip liner, I decided to use NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. I believe it's in the color Milan. Then for lipstick, I am using Fenty Beauty's lipstick in the color Spanked. And then to top it off, I just use NYX's lip veil in the color Hypernova because, you know, I cannot get enough of the sparkle. So this is the final look, you guys. Isn't it just so gorgeous and sparkly and glamorous? It's my fave. I just freaking love glitter and sparkles and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press on the notification bell in order for you guys to be the first to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!